Hi, I'm Burt True with the law firm True & Associates. There are 4 musts for medical malpractice claims, and I'm going to go over them with you right now. The 4 elements that you must have in order to bring a claim for medical malpractice are, number 1, duty. A legal duty exists whenever a hospital or a healthcare provider undertakes the care and treatment of a patient. Second is breach. The medical provider must fail to conform to the relevant standard of care. Now, if you had a bad result from a surgery, or even if your loved one died, this does not necessarily mean there is a claim. The doctor's treatment must fall below the standard of care. And so that's an important term, and it's important to understand what that means. If a doctor needlessly endangers a patient, then that does not meet the standard of care. Needless endangerment always violates the standard of care. Third is cause. The medical provider's breach of the standard of care must cause the injury or the death of the patient. So, if a patient died from something else, the doctor's off the hook, even if his needless endangerment would have eventually caused the patient's death. So, this term cause is difficult because in the law it has a different meaning than it has in regular language. In regular language, cause means to make something happen. But in the law, cause means either to make something happen or to fail to do something that you should have done. So, you got to keep in mind that a doctor can cause an injury or damages by not intervening when they should have. Now, the 4th and final element that you must have is damage. Without damage or losses, there's no basis for a claim. So, regardless of whether the medical provider was negligent, there's no basis for the claim if there is no damage. And damage can occur without negligence too. For example, when someone dies from a fatal disease through no fault of the doctor. The good news is you can get a lawyer to look at your case without paying a bunch of money up front. The contingency fee allows a lawyer to take his fee from what he collects. So if you think a doctor may have done something wrong, it's best to talk to a lawyer who knows something about medical malpractice cases, because there's no risk to doing that. I'm Burt True with the law firm True & Associates. If you have a suggestion for a topic, please post it in the comments below. If you're watching on my blog, you can subscribe to my blog by email. Just click the link below that says subscribe by email. And you can follow the blog using Google+. This will keep you updated with new posts to the blog. If you'd like to discuss something in private, just click the Google Voice gadget below. You enter your telephone number and Google will connect us by telephone. If you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications of new videos, and you can click the links on this video to view my law firm's television commercial or other interesting videos on personal injury and wrongful death topics. You can follow me on Twitter at BurtTrue and on Google+ at BurtTrue. You'll get notice when I post a new video. I'm Burt True with True & Associates.